Hello friends, this is Pankaj and you are watching AEM and DevOps tutorial. So in this video we will talk about is AWS account is really free or not. So you might be thinking why it is asking for this. So in this video I will share those tips. Before starting this video, before starting with before starting this video, if you have not subscribed this channel, so please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Open your browser first. Now here open aws.amazon.com. Now sign into the console. Log into your account. My username is pankajchati99 @gmail.com. Click on next and put your password here. Once you put your password, you will see a home page. Once you put your password, you will see the home page of your account. Here, now go to the services and click on EC2. In this EC2 management console, I have my instance already running. So click on running instances. Here you can see I have an instance Amazon Linux in my AWS account running. This AWS gives us 1 year free tier account. It means you can launch EC2 instance for free for 750 hours a month for an year. That means it gives you 750 hours every month for a 1 year. If the month contains 30 days, it means it is 720 hours. And if it is a 31 days of month, then it will be 744 hours, which is lesser than 750. But suppose if you're using two instances, for example, you're using Linux machine also, and you're also using Windows machine in your EC2 instance. So always keep in mind that once you are done with your practice, then always stop your instance. To stop your instance, only what you need to do is just click, just right click on your instance and go to instance state, and you can stop from here. So it is always the best practice if you have any instance, once you're done with your practice, you should stop that. So this way you will be always safe with so so this way you'll be always safe from the extra cost from the AWS. I hope you enjoyed this video. So subscribe this channel and like this video and share this with your friends. Thanks again for watching.